Baby, this food is not enough for me. Nah, how can you bring this little pot of indomie for me? This food is not enough for her.
Yes, sir?
What do you mean?
Wait. That this full pot of indomie, whole, I will put them whole. This whole full pot of indomie will not be enough for you.
It's not enough. Can't you see it's small?
Hey! See, let me tell you. You will not kill me. That I married you even without looking back, just to consider you. You are not even grateful. Oh, now I get it. Maybe it is not Nyono that is hungry you. Now listen. If it is the other one that is hungering you, if it is the other food I'm talking about that is hungering you, I am sorry, I have nothing that can satisfy you. Unless I
that one concern you. I know what you're saying. I beg, I'm not in for that. What kind of nonsense is that?
I don't have my triple electric. You wait, and I work here can go where I allow here. No, you won't. And I work here Nampra. I don't know. This time around, I will just go back to where I come from. Because I'm a new here over home.
I know what I'm hungry. That food is not enough. See that small food for only me. Would
there be any food that will be enough for you for one day?
I don't know.
Since I brought you into my house, have there been any food that I will give to you that will be enough for you?
No.
Amen. No. He don't do you. No. He never do me. He don't do you. No. He made you like this. No. He made you beham until I die on top of you. Before you go know I'm trying. I got change your position. Change your surname.
Because which person's surname?
I'm not married again.
Huh? It's a lie. What you started, you will finish it.
Me can finish you.
I'll go kwalangia.
I'm a lion. Do I look like a lion to you that can finish all these things? Una, we're done.
Well, look for food.
So go, Ona, we're done.
I am hungry.
You go say we are hungry.
Okay.
Not the only Ona.
We are hungry. Oh, she's hungry.
Kita kibera. Ona they hungry. That means I will go look for food for Ona.
My own is look for food. I don't care what you say.
Hey, babe. Give me that some big. Hey, the question is, monkey no one will leave. What? Bro, do you have the book for me? I'm
hungry. My own is I'm hungry. I want to eat. What is it, self?
Only food.
That is why I got married to you.
You came to eat food.
Yes.
But you will be eating.
I will eat.
Food. You know food on. Gain food on. Your mates are doing exploit. It to 12 he go sleep. Oh, I won't say you go sleep like a human being. You will sleep when you are sleeping. DJ is playing music from inside of you. Difference and kabalitan. Why?
Food. Now you will not sleep today.
Let me have one because the pot indomie brew. You get your teeth. Yeah, we Frank Eji Akozano. Gana Igbo na nga ozu mboro okprekpo eji udirin akwacha ozu ano still enwe left over.
They will use that food and call again.
Onye rina udi aye eji akwaza ayishi udi onya ka otu onye ha ka gi luo ye ehikwa nwa gi luo ye dem na aso relance iwo mata occupy ala my back. That bring dominic ga ga baby maka chuku ga eri ala ga eri ozu nonsense. About the name with the grade. You don't imagine that somebody like me put my beauty conscience.
Imo. I am hungry.
I'm gonna go boom. Ugomje shembe abanko akufro tokora moto ni ile idajishiri nuzo moto ole baga ya konje. Moto ole baga ni ya konje.